Understanding Linear Relationships, a Guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and essential concept in both math and everyday life: linear relationships. Understanding this concept can help you see the world in new ways, from how we predict expenses to understanding patterns in nature. So, let's dive in and demystify linear relationships together. A linear relationship refers to a connection between two variables where if one variable changes, the other changes at a constant rate. Imagine you're saving money every month. If you save the same amount each month, the total savings over time form a linear relationship with time. This relationship is represented graphically as a straight line when plotted on a graph, showing that for every step increase in one variable, there's a predictable, constant increase in the other. There are a few key features that define a linear relationship. Constant slope. The slope, or steepness of the line, remains constant. It represents the rate of change between the variables. Straight line. On a graph, a linear relationship is always shown as a straight line, never curving or bending. Y-intercept. This is where the line crosses the y-axis on a graph. It represents the value of the dependent variable when the independent variable is 0. Understanding these characteristics helps in identifying linear relationships in various scenarios, from economics to physics. Linear relationships appear in many aspects of daily life. For instance, budgeting. If you spend a fixed amount on groceries every week, the total amount spent over the year has a linear relationship with time. Distance traveled. If you're driving at a constant speed, the distance you travel is linearly related to time. Temperature conversion. The conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit is a linear relationship. These examples show how recognizing linear patterns can help us predict and understand various situations. Thank you for joining me today to explore linear relationships. I hope this video has illuminated how these relationships work and where you can see them in the world around you. Remember, spotting linear patterns is a valuable skill, enabling you to make predictions and understand changes in various aspects of life and science. Keep observing, and you'll find linear relationships in the most unexpected places. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.